Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a journal that I've made. This one is hardcover. It has 3 signatures. I've used the Charming Fragments 2 kit in this, not the Traveller's Notebook size but the normal journal size. There's a fabric spine, there is some rosette trim, there is lace here, some beaded trim. I've used pages from the kit on the cover, some more crocheted trim here. We've got some bead dangles on the front cover. It's a little bit different for me. Yesterday I received one of Daisy Collins, who is Tsunami Rose, one of her mystery parcels, and it's loads and loads of die cuts. So I used just one. There must be about 200 die cuts there, and I've used one. So I've used that to create a tuck on this page because I thought it was quite nice. Could actually do some journaling there. I've just added a ticket and a butterfly. Up here you can still see the bird. And these are really good quality cardstock. I made a tag that just slips in there. Then there is this Tiffany & Co tag, and I've just put some really dainty trim on this tag, and there's some crocheted trim on here, and then there's just one of these embellishments from one of Daisy's kits, and it's not the Charming Fragments, but I do think I've used mainly her ephemera in this as well. It's not got pockets and stuff, but it's got lots of ephemera inside, that paper clipped in. So I will do a quick flip if I can find the ends of this, and then check that I'm in frame. I am. The sun is busting through the window. So here we go. That's the journal. Like I said, 3 signatures. There is 180 pages front and back. So this is the lovely kit, and I've just added some ephemera, which, like I said, is all from Daisy. I think if there's anything different, I will mention it as I see it. So there's lots of journaling cards in here. There's a doily and a paper bag, crocheted trim and a bead dangle. We've got a guest check and some dictionary page, some inventory paper, some lined paper. We've got a tag here that's just paper clipped on. Oh, there's some dreams etc here, so it's not just Tsunami Rose. So that's just paper clipped on. Plenty of places to journal in this, as you know, because everything's just paper clipped in. You can remove it, you can add to it, you can put pockets on it, you can do artwork in it. The choice is yours. This will be listed in my shop, and I've got a new discount code for 20% off right up until the 5th of August, and the code is summer18. I will link it below if you're interested. And that will include any items that I put on there that are made to order. Any custom orders that are requested, well, you'll also get that discount if you use the code when purchasing. So if you want to take advantage of that, you can do. Some more ephemera. I do like ephemera, adding it to journals. A lot of people don't add things. Oh, and there's some arty maze here as well. I just kind of went through all my... Oh, I didn't cut the corner on that. I just went through my massive box of bits looking for ephemera. Didn't actually print anything off, just the kit, just the actual main pages. We've got some fabric tabs on here, paper bag and a doily, some more. These are large index cards that I just stamped and stenciled, and a ticket there from Dreams etc. Love these pages. Just here we've got a journaling card on there that I made, and a little fold out one there. A bead dangle. I was actually supposed to, I was asked the other day if I would do just a little tutorial on how I do my beads. Now there is many out there. but I said I would do it, and when I was making these 3 up, I should have really recorded it, but I will do it next time because they are so simple. They're easy peasy. Small ephemera and a tag. Now if you're looking for tons and tons of vintage looking ephemera, Tsunami Rose has great bundles, and they're so cheap. You know, you can go over there and grab yourself a really good bundle of ephemera for only a few pounds or a few dollars. You know, they're not mega expensive. Some more ephemera. And what I'll do, not tonight because it's football tonight, England is playing Croatia, so I'm going to be watching the football, going out to watch the football. But tomorrow I'll do a little video showing you all the die cuts from Tsunami Rose in the mystery boxes, because I was absolutely amazed at how much is there and the quality of the die cuts. And I take it each one's different, that's why it's called a mystery box. I'll link Tsunami Rose below, so go over and have a peek. I know most of you know who she is, who Tsunami Rose is. It's a lovely daisy. Another bead dangle, a guest check, dictionary page, got some more ephemera tucked in here. Some lined paper. I just popped that on there. I had another one of these floating around. I've got so much that's printed off, it's absolutely shameful that I keep printing and I'm not using what I've already got. Some note paper, some Edith Holden, some music paper, lined squared paper. That little page there doesn't want to lay flat. Ugh. This is actually been coffee dyed, but you can feel it, but it didn't actually change colour for some reason. Some more ephemera. Another airmail envelope with a double journaling card inside that one. That's from Artie Mays. And a tag. Tags have all got some organza ribbon on them. Fabric tab, paper bag, doily, and finally, don't know what it is with me and these paper clips, we really don't get along. There we go. A large index card and a journaling card, and that's from Dreams, etc. So that is the journal. Like, it's a nice chunky one as well, and I do like that cover. It is different for me. I've done the ones with the pockets, but not with little tucks and stuff. So, and I do plan on using some of the die cuts. I'm going to make up some tags and do some kind of, well, maybe mixed media. We'll see how it goes. That's not really my thing, but I do like to kind of use inks and maybe paints and stuff like that, and stencils. So there we go. Like I said, the discount code will be below if you want to take advantage of that. With the I've got other items in my shop at the moment as well, and if you have any questions, just fire away and ask, and I will get back to you. I know I've got a few videos to go back on, but it's been hectic this last week. So yeah, so I hope you all have a good evening, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.